Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1.8% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The oil dropped 0.7% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The US dollar index stayed slightly lower after data showed US job growth slowed marginally in June, while the unemployment rate rose, underscoring the view that the Federal Reserve could begin cutting interest rates in September. Oil prices settled lower to end last week as the rising possibility of a ceasefire deal in Gaza outweighed strong summer fuel demand and potential supply disruptions from Gulf of Mexico hurricanes. Gold prices extended gains to their highest level in over a month, following key US jobs data that showed the labor market was softening, lifting expectations around a Federal Reserve interest rate cut in September.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions will be released at 19:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. Germany's trade balance at 6 GMT. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales will be released at 23:01 GMT. Japan's EcoWatchers survey outlook at 5 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 7 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.